In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to update Ollama in Linux, such as Red Hat, Fedora, CentOS. So here first we need to go into this Google and search there Ollama. And thereafter here first let's open this place terminal. And let's increase the size little bit. Thereafter here, if I write this place Ollama minus version. So you can see this here 18 version that install. So here to update we need to use this command curl this one. So let's copy and paste it there. And now press enter. Curl Ollama dot this install. So this is now cleaning older version and now installing Ollama, downloading Ollama this. So here you can see the percentage. So this will take some time. You can see installing, downloading this all done here. This is NVIDIA kind of message. Ollama run on CPU only mode. Now thereafter let's use their clear command. Now this time I'm going to write there Ollama minus version. So you can see it was 18, but after following this steps here, this is 20 version that install. So this is the most simplest way we can here update Ollama. So we can update Ollama inside the Linux operating system, such as Red Hat Fedora. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.